Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm a sewing teacher from Dorset. Now I'm going to show you how to make a festive appliqué table runner.
Merry Christmas!
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Cut a piece of natural calico fabric measuring the length of your table. You might want it to hang down either side of your table, so make a note of the finished size you'd like it to be. Add 2 centimeters to this length and cut it 32 centimeters wide. Repeat with a second piece of fabric the same size. Draw out a few Christmas tree shapes on a piece of paper, or you can print some off the computer if you're not confident. Trace a few shapes onto your bonder web, leaving a little space around each shape. Iron each shape onto the back of your chosen printed fabrics, then cut out neatly. Peel off the back of the bonder web and arrange a few trees along one piece of your fabric. Repeat this process down the other long side of your fabric base. Use your machine and a straight stitch to go around the edge of each one, sewing just on top of the tree shapes, close to the edge. Once all your tree shapes are sewn on, place the blank base fabric piece right size together on top. Pin around the edges and mark a 10 centimeter gap on one edge. Using your machine, sew around all 4 sides with a 15mm seam allowance, leaving that 10 centimeter gap open. Once sewn, trim all 4 corners, then turn the right way around through the gap. Use your machine to carefully top stitch around all 4 edges, with a seam allowance of about 5mm, enclosing the gap as you sew. Press to finish. Thanks for watching. For more Christmas or sewing projects, head to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and leave a comment below. We'd love to see them, and we'll see you again for more videos.